Yeah, none of it went into the grass at all.
Alright. What is this called again? What is that? The balancer?
Harmonic balancer.
Harmonic balancer. Why can't I just beat that off the hammer?
You can.
Oh.
Don't tell him that.
Mike, could you do me a favor? Like, what's that look like to you? Look at it from this side over here. Like, what's the water pump look like when you cut half of it off?
It kind of does look like a...
I mean, you guys be the judge of it.
Look like a fat guy's day.
Yeah, all ball.
We can't swear, but you can do that.
Fat man's penis looks like.
Definitely half inch, Michael.
It wasn't. Oh, you dumbass.
All right, I need a beer after all that horribleness.
I mean, how bad is it? I mean, there is Scudder up there.
No, I gotta try that. Happen the next weekend?
No.
No,
The
neither.
weekend after
Oh,
that.
okay.
So what do we got going on here? What's he got to take off?
We're getting this.
This is like the whole timing cover, isn't
yeah,
it? It's
had
that's
oil
weird.
pumps in it. It is.
Man. No buying no chrome timing cover for this thing.
No.
Well, maybe you could, but yeah, a little YJ when the clutch crapped out, it did it right in the driveway. Kept it classy. So it still never left me stranded. The flat tire in Michigan wasn't its fault. that was
Mine isn't. I've never told mine back, but that whole computer thing was a real kind of pain in the ass.
yeah.
All right. Now it looks like we got a screw here, Michael. You think that?
That's probably a dowel pin, isn't it? Yeah, that's a dowel
That's
pin.
bullshit?
We'll
Alright.
probably just take like a mallet.
Actually, I would have. Is that is that a little loose? That would have said that's a little loose.
It's not
It's
horrible.
got a little wear in it. Man, is that like a premium double roller right off the get-go? I mean,
It's a double. No, it ain't even a double roller.
oh man, that's a pretty beefy timing chain. Alright.
That's a oil. Better keep that guy.
Zip that guy off, right?
Yep.
Cool. Pitter patter, let's get at her. Oh, that's a new cam, huh?
Yeah, new cam. Double risers.
Oh, nice. Double
Yeah,
riser?
double risers.
It's got the double pump too on it, then, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Huh.
Good thing is I could still,
Let's get this.
I can edit this out. Thank you.
Boom, boom, boom.
This might involve getting your hand dirty.
I'm all right.
We got those
Oh,
gloves.
we
We
ju-
just bought a whole other box when we got another box already there.
Yeah, Mike, you want to like goober this shit all over.
All right. So, that's what you're saying. Okay. Get your hands dirty.
Yeah. Yep. You just got to get into the next bearing in there, nice and easy and slow.
Wiggle it around. Oh.
Look at you try so hard.
Uh-huh. That's like fucking Barney cum.
Oh yeah. Here she comes. Ooh. Should we throw those lifters in that oil too?
Yeah, you can let them soak in there.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get that done. All right, so we're already
Make sure
putting
we got these guys down here. They were trying to make sure the gaskets.
Yeah, that's a nice,
Is that right?
nice back
Can you
of the
see
head
through there,
shot.
Mike?
Yeah.
Make sure that gasket's through there.
like a little light.
What was you said the cam sheets over here, the specs of it?
Yeah. Hey, Kenny, you got a flashlight or something?
Yeah.
It's not going to be
Well, yeah.
crazy.
No, that'd still be that'd be pretty healthy.
I mean, if we want, you know what we could do? Let's stick these guys through here, just so
Okay.
you made it, and then you can tighten them guys down. You know what I mean? So
All right.
stick all these guys in real quick before you go crazy.
Yeah, you already got the cam in there. You're putting a pump cover back on.
Yeah, I'll bring up.
Everything's in line. Got your
So you still be able to get the seal on with that there?
little piston at top dead center. Fantastic. All right, guys. So I'm gonna just kind of add this in on another video. What happened was when we were working on the 360 and putting like the cam in and all that, we ran into an issue and pretty much stopped the video editing at that time or filming because it wasn't good. So in another video I'm going to show you here in a second, what happened was that the bearings, when we were to pull the end cap off on the back to replace the rear main seal, they didn't look good. They're all, you know, they're scuffed up and all that. The crank doesn't look bad, so we had to talk about it and make a decision as far as the owner. And what he's gonna do is we're gonna take all the caps off. We're gonna pull the crank out. We're gonna see if it's in tolerance at all, as far as if it's still decent. And if it is, then we'll just slap some new bearings in there, put it all back together, and run it. You know, if it blows, it blows, and he's aware of that. And you know, at worst, you know, we'll put an LS in it next time. So that would be pretty cool. So I'm definitely itching to do that into one of our Jeep projects. I wouldn't say soon, but eventually. So, anyways, that's what's going on with that. As you can, I already zipped the caps back on, but we're gonna have to take them back off. But I'll show you guys what's going on, and that's what it is. That's the name of the game. We should have probably checked sooner, but we didn't. So we already bought stuff for it, put money into this block. So to have it reworked was $2,500, which was a little pricey to be putting into a AMC 360. They're good, solid motors, but problem is all the parts are overly expensive. They're harder to get. You don't produce any power out of these things. I mean, don't get me wrong. I know you can probably produce some power, but like, just not the cheap way. So that's for sure. I mean, it's not the Chevy way. So you get a Chevy block and, you know, put some money into it and produce some pretty good horsepower. But with these AMCs, you know, it's definitely not that. It's definitely not the case. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Just let me know what you guys are thinking and all that. And I'll try to edit my videos better as we go on. Like I said, we just got the GoPro 7. And I'm just starting with this thing. And the only reason we didn't get the 8 yet is because we heard some issues with filming inside garages with like LED lights, it seemed like. They said there was like a flicker. So I don't know if that was true. Heard some other YouTubers complaining about it. So we actually got a really good deal on the silver. So it seemed like the silver was still a pretty good GoPro to go with. We're gonna plan on buying more anyways. So this was just at least a start, and we'll plan on getting probably a couple more by summertime to film everything that's going on. So, all right, we'll see you guys later.